Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I am making a treat box, a cookie box. So my last video I did out this pea, and in the same color I've done out Paul's cookies. So I'm doing a box of cookie treats for my brother. So I'm going to get this built and I'm going to reinforce it a bit with a layer of acetate at the bottom. So hopefully that will be strong enough that it can hold some cookies in there. So let's get this put together. Okay, I've got the box all put together. I've got some tissue paper. This is what I use when I do up cookie treat boxes. I normally do them at Christmas time and give them out to family members and good friends of the family. So I usually go to the dollar store and get the tins, but this time I wanted to make a box. So the lid is quite sturdy. I got the extra piece of acetate in there, and then same with the bottom of this. So it should hold on. For this rope, just because I want to make sure the lid stays on, that's why I poked it through the sides there. So let's get this layered up. So I usually have an assortment of colored tissue paper. And then whatever I might need to wrap, or if it's a fragile item, it's all there. These cookies that I've made, these are cookies my great-grandmother, she used to make for us. We would get them at Christmas time, Valentine's Day, Thanksgiving, whenever she would send a care package to my mom. So they are white cookies with a butter frosting. And my family absolutely adores them. So it makes for a very happy family when I make these. So then I just put in another layer of tissue paper so I can get some more cookies in there. I know it seems like a lot of cookies, but as I said, my family absolutely adores these. So that's why I'm making some for my brother. I've got some other cookies in here. I made some oatmeal raisin cookies, or sorry, oatmeal chocolate chip cookies. So these turned out pretty good. They've got a nice chewiness to them. I've just got everything in a Tupperware container with parchment paper between the layers. I can get some more cookies in here. And my hands are clean, so you don't have to worry about that. I washed them before I started. So there. I don't have to worry about my brother not finishing these in time. He will gobble them up, and he might share them with members of his family. So there. Get the lid on. Let's tie this guy up. I loved how that pea turned out. I'm gonna cut those extra long strings off, just so they're not getting caught on anything. So there, looks like a cute little box of cookies you'd get right from the baker. The lid's gonna stay on. Obviously I'm not throwing this around or anything, but it'll be easy to get to the cookies. It's a super cute box. I don't expect my brother to keep the box. He'll throw it out when he's all done, but he'll appreciate the pea on there and the Paul's cookies on the side. So I did decide, even though I'd printed off 4 of them, I just decided on the 2 sides of the lid. So there you go. That's how you can make a box for some cookies or some treats that you're going to give to a friend, a family, a co-worker, and personalize it with their first initial on the top. They will absolutely adore it. Well, thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. I truly appreciate it, and I appreciate you. Until next time.